Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat ng welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am accredited seller of the DMCI Homes. So today, nasamahan niyo ako at itutur ko kayo sa aming one-bedroom unit dito po kay Sateri Residences. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am accredited seller of the DMCI Home. Hello, kumusta po kayo sa to? So right now, nandito naman ako kay Sateri Residences. So I am showing you this for this video. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung one-bedroom unit natin. Kasi medyo may mga nag-reopen unit ng one-bedroom unit dito kay Sateri Residences. So right now, I'm on the second building of Sateri Residences kay Lana building. So makikita ninyo. So this unit is on the second floor, okay? So just above lang nung ground floor natin na atrium level. So this unit is unit 212. So this unit is a one bedroom unit na 27.50 square meters, okay? So kagandahan nito, this unit is elongated po. So one of our standard unit size. So again, dito po yung ating kitchen cabinets and then yung range provision for range hood natin. Granite countertop for the kitchen. Okay, so these are all included yung fittings and fixtures natin dito sa kitchen area. And also yung fittings and fixtures natin sa toilet and bath. So ito, kagandahan nito, yan, konting interior ka na lang, di ba? Makita mo lang. Tapos ito, meron kang medicine cabinet dito. And also dito, fittings and fixture natin dito sa bathroom natin. Okay? So yung kagandahan nun. And then also dito sa unit na to, it's also medyo mababa siya, kaya kagandahan nito maganda, although medyo quiet yung view niya dito. So this one is the living area. Yan. And then this would be the bedroom side. So dito sa one bedroom na to, you still have partition for this type of units. Pero kagandahan nito, malaki yung provision natin for the air conditioning. So meron kang window type. So at most 1.5 to 2 horsepower yan, pwede yan applicable dito sa unit na to, diba? So a very spacious one bedroom unit, diba? So kagandahan nito, you can still maximize this unit, diba? So dito, this one is good for Airbnb, for rental, diba? So ganda kasi maganda po dito sa Sateri Residences. Maganda yung project layout natin dito. So now we go to the balcony. So this is the balcony. Diba? Ayan. So this is a 4 square meters balcony. Medyo madumi lang kasi nililinis naman nila yan. And final touches natin. Final coating natin pagdating sa turnover. So this one is second floor. Medyo mababa siya. So this is the jogging path all towards the property. Tapos residential yung view niya dito. Okay? And so if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, to WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede ko kayo dalhin dito kay Sateri Residences kasi napakaganda ito project natin. Okay? So again, thank you very much for watching. But please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video ko YouTube, ma-notify kayo. So again, thank you. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.